Hey guys! Let's make something. Here's what you're gonna need for today's DIY. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. This is a little plastic snow globe that you can actually make yourself. You fill it with water, you put something inside, you turn it like this, you shake it, it's a snow globe. I'm gonna make it into something for Halloween. A candlestick, some black acrylic paint, a transparency sheet for an inkjet printer. The first step in this DIY is to disassemble this little snow globe. And what I'm left with is just this little... Seriously. What I'm left with is just the globe part. These things can just... I'll clean it up later. The first step is painting this bottom little ring. Okay, this next part looks intimidating, but I promise you it's easy. I went on Google, I searched for spooky Halloween images, I dragged those images to a Word document on my printer, printed it off on this awesome transparency paper. It works with inkjet printers, or you can get the kind that goes for laser printers if that's what you have. This is what they look like. I got a skull, I got an eyeball, I got a spooky spider. If you want to download these yourself, there's a link in the description box below. And now I'm just gonna cut them out. And I'm actually not cutting close to the lines, I'm just gonna cut around them so that there's transparency left, and you'll see why in just a second. So I went with the skull and the eyeball. I've got other images that are linked for you in the description box below, but these are the two that I'm gonna go with. So here's the next step. If I haven't already said it, I'm saying it now. This is the easiest Halloween DIY I think we've done so far. Take the transparency sheet, take the little glass globe that you painted, shove it up inside, stick it on a candlestick. Take the skull, take the glass bulb, shove it up inside. Cute, spooky, easy, Halloweeny. So easy. So easy.
Oh my gosh, I love these. These look so stinking cute, Sarah. I am totally making some of these for my house. Love them.